Good morning. Today we will do the fourth chapter of Geography, 10th Maharashtra State Board, chapter name Climate. We will do the comparison between the climate of India and climate of Brazil. So this is a map of Brazil. You can see the arrows are denoting the path of monsoon winds. These winds usually come from northeast and southeast. So these are called as northeast monsoon wind and southeast monsoon wind of Brazil. Monsoon wind has some characteristics. Mountain plays the role of barriers which blocks the monsoon wind. It stops the rains by blocking the monsoon winds. Wherever the monsoon winds are blocked, that region gets a high rainfall. And behind that, leeward side, there the rainfall is low. So now let us understand with the help of the diagrams. So if you see the diagram, the winds are coming from whichever direction, there the rainfall will be high. And if these winds have to cross the mountain, then the clouds rise upwards, and then the moisture carrying the capacity will be low. And if the moisture carrying the capacity get low, then the rainfall will be more. Whenever the monsoon winds or clouds go this side, after crossing the mountain, the moisture get decreased. As much as the moisture get decreased, then the rainfall also get decreased. So this is or such place is called a rain shadow area. This is also called as a leeward side. So same type of phenomena is in India also and in Brazil also. If you see the India's region, the Sahyadri mountain or the western Ghats of India is there, the wind coming from Arabian Sea, the southwest monsoon winds travels to the Sahyadri mountain. And then the Sahyadri mountain is acting like a barrier. So because of this, the clouds are rising up. So as much as clouds rise, then the moisture holding capacity gets lower. If the moisture holding the capacity gets low, then what will happen is that all the moisture will release, and then on this region there will be heavy rainfall. So as the clouds rise upwards, the moisture holding the capacity altitude gets increase. With it also the moisture holding capacity increase. In this region there is a rain shadow. There the rainfall is very low, and this monsoon wind or this cloud comes down, then the rainfall happen because of this Maharashtra Deccan plateau or Maharashtra plateau. There the rainfall is very low, and in the Konkan region very low, and in the Konkan region we receive heavy rainfall. Similar type of phenomena is happening in Brazil. So Great Escarpment in Brazil is acting as a barrier. So let us see how this kind of phenomena is happening in Brazil. If you see carefully, there is a Great Escarpment. The southern part of the Brazil, where there is a Great Escarpment, is there, and this Great Escarpment's height is more. And if you visit the Brazilian highland, it is low or less. And again, if you are moving ahead, you are going to Paraguay-Parana basin. There the height is decreasing, altitude is decreasing. Again in Amazon basin, again the height is decreasing. Then we are having the mountain. So in Andes mountain, so the conventional rainfall and happens because when this monsoon winds travels from here, the mountains stop it from passing further, and the other side of the mountain and is said to be called as rain shadow area. Then the rainfall is low again. If you see Rajasthan, in Rajasthan there is a desert, there is a Aravalli mountain, and the winds go parallelly go forward. So because of this, Rajasthan is getting low rainfall. Again you see Maharashtra plateau, we are getting less rainfall because this is a leeward side of which we have seen Before before we have started the lesson, as we started the lesson, we have seen it, right? So in Maharashtra, Satara, Marathwada area is also rain shadow region of Konkan. Is windward side where we get maximum rainfall. Same kind of phenomena is happening in Himalayas and also in the northeast India. Khasi, Gantia hills. It crosses the mountain there, rainfall is low. Because of the western coast of India and northeast India, this region are getting lots of heavy rainfall. Tropic of Cancer is passing from Gujarat and our India is above equator. The southernmost tip of India, it is at 8 degrees 4 minutes north. This is above equator. The place between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, we get maximum sun rays. So there the temperature is more. So because of this, this is the average temperature of 26 degree in the year. So here the temperature is more. As we go up, so here the temperature is 20 degree, 23 degree. So here the temperature decreases. The location of India is also affecting the temperature. And also we have seen the rainfall pattern of India. So western side of India and the northeast India, it is maximum or minimum temperatures in particular months. If you see, the red line is indicating the maximum temperature, blue line is indicating the lowest temperature, and this is the rainfall occurring in particular month. If you can see January, February, March, April, May, these months are getting maximum rainfall in man years. Also, the maximum temperature in January is above 30 degree and around 31 degree, and minimum temperature is around 23 degree. Also, if you see in August, the rainfall is very less and the temperature is very high. So next you can see the Balam. In Balam again the rainfall is more in January, February, March, April and May. Again you can see the temperature is maximum in June, July, August and September. Again in October, November the temperature is constant. Less temperature is in March and more rainfall is in March. Because monsoon winds and northeast monsoon winds do not converge or do not meet with each other. So, which is why no cyclone is created. So, as the temperature is more, there will be more evaporation. The evaporation is more the cloud. There will be formation of the clouds, and as the clouds are formed, then there will be more rainfall in that region. If you go to south parts of Brazil, there the temperature is cooler. So whichever regions are nearer the sea, there we experience high level of humidity, like places like Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and India. The climate and India. Monsoon is acting as a great importance in climatic controls of India. So we have seen sun rays are directly perpendicular to Tropic of Cancer. So because of this, middle of the country or the region below Gujarat is getting more heat, and that is having more temperature. So as we near the south, near the equator, the temperature is high, whereas the temperature drop minus 40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir, because it is far away from the equator and the Tropic of Cancer, and also it is at a very great height. Let us now see the climates and the temperature of four cities in India. So if you see Delhi, in Delhi we can see heavy rainfall in July, August, September. It's getting most of the rainfall. Now if we see Kolkata, so in June, July, August, September, October is getting most of the rainfall. Now if we see Mumbai, June, July, August is getting most of the rainfall. But if you see the Chennai, it is getting more rainfall in September, October, November, December. So Chennai is located near the equator. So the temperature in Chennai is more around 40 degrees Celsius height, because there the temperature is quite low. Himalayas act as a barrier. Also, it controls the climate of India. Because of high temperature in Punjab, there is a low pressure in the plains and in the Thar desert of Rajasthan. When India is having more heat, there will be coolness in Indian Ocean. Moisture-laden winds passes from Indian Ocean or Arabian Sea. They evaporates water and carries its moisture with it. Eastern and Western Ghats are the drought affected area of India and Brazil. And some information also given. Temperature in Ganga Nagar in Rajasthan soars to 50 degrees Celsius in June. Kargil town often experiences temperature as low as minus 40 degrees, 48 degrees Celsius in winter. Mausanaram and Cherrapunji in East Kashi Hill district of Meghalaya are the best places not only in India but also in the world. The Jaisalmer in western Rajasthan is to receive snowfall. But in exceptional conditions, southern polar air masses reach the southern part of Brazil. This caused snowfall here, and snowfall has been recorded in 1879, 1957, and 1985. Thank you, children.